Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix something went wrong. Please try again 1076 error in Google Gemini. So if you are also into the same situation, then you can follow the methods discussed in this video. As you can see, after typing anything or asking anything on Google Gemini, we are getting this kind of error. So the first thing what you have to do is just you have to restart your device once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So after your device restarts, again go back and launch the app and type anything or ask anything and then check if the problem is resolved. If the problem is not resolved, then I must say the problem is from the server end. So if there is any server downtime, then you have to wait for it. As you can see, after searching for down detector on Google Gemini, so here you can see there is a server downtime going on. So basically this will be there for some time. So you have to wait for some time unless the app resumes and you can access it. So for now you have to wait for some time unless it gets resolved, and later on again check if the problem is resolved or not and you can access the app or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.